Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your login activity on Snapchat. All you have to do is just follow these 5 simple steps. So let's get started. Now the first step is to open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. The next step is to go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, the Bitmoji or silhouette in the top left corner of the screen. The third step is to access settings. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. The fourth step is to navigate to security. Scroll down and select security from the list of options. The fifth and the final step is to view login verification. Under the security section, tap on login verification. Here you can see recent login activity, including locations and devices used for login. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.